Welcome to Cafe Tesla Music, where you can learn new music from around the world. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, there's a seat for you at Cafe Tesla Music. No matter what you play, keyboard, strings, woodwinds, brass, you'll find music here to inspire you. My approach? Keep it simple. My process is designed so that you can focus on what matters, making music and enjoying yourself. So here's how it works. Step 1, I'll introduce the composition and tell you what I know about it. Step 2, I'll play it for you so you can hear it. And step 3, you get to learn it right from your screen at a slower, more comfortable tempo. That's it. 3 easy steps to learning new music. If you enjoy the channel, please share it with your friends, give it a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to get the next episode. Your support is important and helps our cafe grow. So thank you for spending your time with me today. And until next time, I'm Simo, and don't forget, keep learning and keep playing.